Hi everyone, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today I am going to do a Prunus mume tour from my home garden. This is Matsuboro Red Prunus mume, and it has the most wonderful cinnamon fragrance and really nice sort of double flowers. It's just an absolutely exquisite winter blooming tree. So Josephine Prunus mume is a little bit farther behind compared to the Matsuboro Red, but it's at the perfect stage for cutting the branches to bring inside to force in gorgeous arrangements throughout the house. This variety is a new cultivar from Dr. Clifford Park's breeding called Pink Panther. For me, this is a late season bloomer that's never set any seed, which I really like. And this is the perfect stage for cutting to force indoors. This weeping Prunus mume is bridal veil. As you can see, it has white flowers and soft pink flower buds. It's an all-time favorite for this weeping habit. My last Prunus mume variety is Bonita, and this tree has been blooming now for several weeks. I first started forcing these branches way back in January. Now that I've shown you the varieties that are blooming here in my garden, let's go inside so I can show you all of the beautiful flower arrangements from these forced branches. Welcome inside, where all these beautiful Prunus mume branches get to be enjoyed. I love mixing them with cut flowers from the store, like these Alstroemeria. The fragrance from these arrangements is so remarkable, and it really makes a cold day feel warm. So from dining room centerpieces to small vases on a side table, the sky really is the limit for how you can use these branches of flowering apricots. I hope you'll be inspired to bring the outdoors in and force some branches this year. Stay warm, everybody, and thanks for watching.